Hello everyone, today we will show you how to use SKYVVA Bulk Processing. This diagram shows how bulk processing works in SKYVVA and how it is different from Salesforce Bulk Processing. 1. Left side, Data Input Connectors. On the left side, you see Client Applications / SKYVVA Connectors. Data comes from external systems or files. It uses the Bulk API. But here, the API is used to create content version files quickly. This means data is first saved as files, not directly inserted into Salesforce objects. 2. Middle, SKYVVA Bulk Service, main part. In the center, you see SKYVVA Bulk Service. This is the key part of SKYVVA Bulk Processing. The files are stored in a bulk basket. The basket acts like a container to hold all data files. You can process data on demand, manually, or using a scheduler automatically. 3. Right side, processing steps. On the right side, you can see the 4 main steps. 1. Message. Define the structure of data. 2. Workflow. Control processing logic. 3. Mapping. Map data to Salesforce fields. 4. Operation. Insert/update data into Salesforce. 4. Bottom. Salesforce Bulk. Important difference. At the bottom, you see SFDC Bulk v2 service. This represents Salesforce Bulk Processing. Here, the Bulk API is used to directly post data into Salesforce as objects. There are crossmark no content version, crossmark no bulk basket, crossmark no SKYVVA control board. Data goes directly to Salesforce using bulk jobs. SKYVVA Bulk Processing uses Bulk API to create files, content version. Uses bulk basket plus control board. Data is processed step by step inside SKYVVA. Salesforce Bulk Processing uses the Bulk API to directly insert/update data. No basket, no SKYVVA control. Managed by Salesforce Bulk Jobs. In this explanation, we focus on SKYVVA Bulk Processing. So let's start. In this demo, we use the agent file as an example. However, the same inbound interface can also use this feature with other sources, such as the agent database, data loader, or external systems. Now, navigate to the inbound interface using the agent file adapter that you have already configured. Find the section on bulk settings. Before configuring bulk interface processing, you need to understand these parameters. Click on the Edit button. Bulk mode. Check this flag if you want to run the interface in bulk mode using Salesforce's Bulk API. So, enable the bulk mode. Bulk package size defines how many records are included in each batch. For example, if you have 10,000 records and set it to 1,000, the system creates 10 batches. In this demo, I set it to 1,000. Bulk mode switching behavior. When you set the value to dynamic switch based on record size, it automatically switches between synchronous and bulk processing. In the example, we use the none mode. Record size to be switched. This field is used only in combination with the field runtime behavior with the value dynamic switch based on record size. Set her a number from which to switch to use batch processing, e.g., create a basket instead of posting immediately and synchronously. If it's not set, then the default value is 50. Bulk version. SKYVVA Bulk has only one version, which is SKYVVA Bulk 1.0. Bulk processing order. We have 2 options, ascending and descending. Set the order of basket processing. In this demo, we use ascending. Bulk processing mode. Support only Salesforce Bulk. After configuring the settings, click Save. Now, go to the directory folder. Here, we have a CSV file named book.csv, containing 5,000 account records. Next, go to the agent control board. Select the interface. Then click the Interface Processing button. Click the Push button. After processing is successful, the basket is created in the bulk control board and doesn't show the message status in the agent control board. Go to the Message Monitor tab to verify the message status. Click the Apply Filter button. The message: there are no records to be displayed. Go to the Integration Detail page. Locate the Custom Link Bulk Control Board and click on it. Here in the Baskets tab, as you can see, there are 5 baskets. Each basket contains 1,000 records based on the bulk package size configured in the bulk settings. In the Baskets tab, there is a Filter section. This section allows you to search and display the baskets you want to view. Fields you see: Interfaces, example selected. Inbound interface. This option filters baskets that were created using that interface. Basket name. Search for a specific basket ID. Status. Filter by status: init/processing/completed/failed, etc. In the example, we use it init status. Date. Usually, the creation date or another date type is used, depending on the configuration. From date/ to date plus time. Show baskets created/updated within a specific time range. Finally, click the Apply button and then you see the baskets you want to see. Navigate to the Interface tab. The Bulk Control Board's Interfaces tab displays all interfaces configured for bulk mode. In this example, we have 3 interfaces listed: Inbound Interface, Interface JSON, and Interface XML. For our demo, we select the inbound interface and confirm the bulk package size is 1,000, meaning SKYVVA will split records into packages of 1,000 for bulk API processing. We also confirm the operation type is upsert, so SKYVVA will update existing records when the external ID matches. Otherwise, it will insert new records. Then go to the Queues tab. Here in the Queues tab, we can verify if SKYVVA background processing is ready. In the Queues tab, there is a Filter section. This section allows you to search for and display the queues you want to view. You can filter by interface group. For example, we select SKYVVA Default IG. Status: ready. Interface name, example, we select Inbound Interface. Finally, click the Search button, and then you see the queues you want to see. Here we see 5 EOIO queues under the interface group SKYVVA Default IG. The status is ready, meaning the workers are active and can pick up jobs. The size column shows how many items are waiting in the queue. If baskets are not processing, the Baskets tab is the first place to check that the queue must be ready and size should go down when processing starts. Finally, go back to the Baskets tab. In the New Baskets section, select the basket you want to push data to Salesforce based on your requirement. Then click the Process button. In the Current Processing Basket section, after processing the basket, you can see the basket is being processed and the basket status is Processing. After processing is successful, the basket moves to the Processed Basket section. As you can see, it is now part of the history and the status is completed. Next, go to the Monitor tab. Scroll down and click Search. You can see the message status is completed. We have 20 basket messages completed. Each basket message contains 50 subject messages, representing 1,000 records sent to Salesforce. Click View Record in Salesforce to verify. For example, the account Jens 1011 was created successfully. After processing the basket manually in a bulk control board, we'll now show you how to process the basket by scheduler processing in a bulk control board. This chapter explains the scheduler feature in the bulk control board. The scheduler is used to automatically start and manage jobs based on defined time settings. It allows users to view and control all schedulers related to integrations. In simple terms, it runs jobs automatically at scheduled times. In contrast, manual processing requires users to trigger jobs directly from the bulk control board or other control options in SKYVVA. Go to the bulk control board and click on the Scheduler tab. Here, you can see 3 sections: Integration Schedulers, Interface Group Schedulers, and Interface Schedulers. In this example, we will use Interface Schedulers. Open the Scheduler Interface section and find Integrate Bulk_Process based on your interface name. In the Action column, you'll see 2 options, one to start the job and another to configure the time settings. Click on the Time Settings button. In the example, we use the frequency run at. We set the time to 1800 hours p.m. Then click the Save button. After saving your settings, take time successfully. Click the Start Scheduler button. The scheduler is processing. Now that the time we set on the scheduler has arrived at 1800 hours p.m., it will execute the interface. Click on the Message Monitor tab. Scroll down and click the Search button to verify the message status. This message basket is processed by the scheduler. The message status is completed, and the record is created in Salesforce successfully. SKYVVA Bulk Processing is used to handle large data volumes, over 5,000 records, using the Salesforce Bulk API. First, enable bulk mode and set the bulk package size to split data into smaller batches called baskets. After processing, data is automatically divided into baskets, e.g., 100 records, 2 baskets of 50. You can view and filter these baskets in the bulk control board. Baskets can be processed in 2 ways. Manual, select a basket and click Process. Scheduler, set a time to run automatically. You can also check queues to see processing status, ready, processing, monitor to verify results and confirm records in Salesforce. In short, SKYVVA Bulk Processing splits large data into smaller baskets and processes them efficiently, either manually or automatically.